Today we're doing black and white classic knits. They are gorgeous, and they are all $8.99, $8.99. The world is going more expensive except here, and we're going cheaper. Love this. Look at this. Isn't that a cool classic black and white? Great drape. This is what they call that, brushed. It's very, very soft to the feel. Black and white and gray, stretch in both directions, cotton poly. Great fabric. Great fabric. At $8.99 you can play with it. You cannot worry about failing, that's for sure. This also brushed. Very, very soft. Stretch in both directions. Cotton poly. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. I love it. Little flower, little daisies. This is 100% cotton. This has stretch in both directions. And I love this. These two are coordinates. So I'll show them side by side. They're a little different, but came in together as coordinates. This first one here is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. It's fabulous. I mean, it'd be great for leggings, tops, yoga pants, you name it. It's really a cool fabric. This is a stretch woven. So this might be your pant, or it might be a jacket to coordinate. But I just love them. I think they're cool. And then put something solid black in there, a belt or a scarf, or oh, what a good look. What a great look. $8.99, you guys. Is that cool? 100% cotton on this one, 100% cotton on this one. This is a cotton poly. Look at the stars. Black background, gray stars. Stars are about, I don't know, 1 inch in size. Stretch in one direction. One direction, and then look how it pairs with this. Oh, I love this. You put the big stars on the top and the little stars on the bottom. Is that cool together? So anyway, again, this is a cotton poly. You know, I don't think that is. I think that's it's a cotton poly. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction. These two, they're both terries. They're both terry cloth. I love those together. I think they're awesome. I think you could do such a cute outfit with these two together. A skirt maybe with different pants. I don't know. You know, sky's the limit what you all could do. But anyway, these are both terries and they're cotton polys. All right, everything today. $8.99. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.